In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your custom code for your website. It basically just means putting it somewhere you won't lose it. Let me show you a couple of options. If you're following along with my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, welcome back. If you're new and you haven't grabbed that checklist yet, I'll drop a link in the description below so you can grab it. It walks you through everything that you need to do when you're launching a Squarespace website. Okay, I'm here in my starter template, and when I was working on this template, I included some common CSS that I use on my own projects. So let's go ahead and take a look here at that custom CSS, and I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this. Now, there are a few things that you can do to save this. If you are a fan of Google Docs or Notion, you could certainly just put it in a document there. The best way to back up your custom code on your website is to put it on a website page because it's always going to be on your site. You're not going to lose it. So let's make a new page under not linked. We'll just start with a blank page, and I'm going to call this code backup. I'm going to make sure that I hide this from search engines because it doesn't have anything to do with my site. And I can drop a new code block here. And I want it to display the source code, not run it. So I'll paste in my code here. And you can see here's all the custom CSS on my site. Now, if I had code injection for my header or footer or page injection, I could add text here explaining what it is and another code block for that as well. But this is just a really handy way to back up your website code in a way that it won't get lost. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and save this, exit out. And now I have my code backup page here too. And you can always disable this page as well, just an extra measure of protection that no one stumbles upon it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, drop a comment below, or subscribe to my channel. All of those help other people find my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.